My name is Azola Mzekandaba. I'm from Johannesburg. The work that I'm currently doing is an employment program where we provide life skills, exposure to work, and mentorship for young people, not in education, employment, and training. What motivates me to do this type of work is because I believe the gifts that I've been given is there to work in the furtherance of all things that are good and to benefit society. So I actually started in healthcare, where I was working as a strategist and implementing projects in rural and remote areas for ex-mine workers and provided strategies for the National Department of Health. And then I went on to go into the property and property related spaces, where I was consulting for top JSE listed developers in their economic development and how they can integrate black suppliers into the supply chain. So all of my work has really been around access. So currently it's in education, but my motivation is shared access, like access to either healthcare, access to opportunities for previously disadvantaged entrepreneurs, and currently access to education. So the way my activism work aligns with Tekano is really the creation of equitable societies or communities, because for me, I'm not industry specific or like cause specific. So for health, for me, I need for black people to participate in economic opportunities, hence the work in the property space. Access to healthcare for people who are vulnerable, vulnerable groups, which are ex-mine workers who can't travel, and we bring the healthcare services to where they live, their rural and remote areas. And currently it's like, the provision of work readiness interventions for young people who generally would not have that access. So really it aligns in a sense of creating spaces where people have access. So for me, what I was most looking forward to is to meet people from diverse backgrounds, to hear their stories, to hear the work that they're doing, and to hopefully understand where our work, my work and their work can intertwine, possibly if there's synergies, and see how I can help. Part of my work with these young people is to find their mentors, so what is really exciting for me is the possibility of some of the people that I've met here who could possibly be virtual mentors to some of the young people that I work with.